Flying from Dickey Ridge, we had a big thunderstorm in the Page Valley, right in Luray. That's going with the northeast wind into the East Valley, so that's nothing for us. There's probably behind me, direction Martinsburg, Winchester, there's going to be a thunderstorm. But for the moment, yeah, there's something developing in the Shenandoah Valley, but it's not big yet. And I'm just boating around. Just a nice late afternoon, and yeah, so just getting airborne and stretch my wings. There you go. Better view on the overdevelopment in near Winchester. That's a big one. And I'm dealing here with the shade here. I'm gonna have to try to stay up. It's not like a storm is gonna exist here. So I was going to the sun, but it's not really working. But let me go to the highest point for the time.
Just above the Skyline Drive, you see that brown patch that's launched, and on top you see the beacon for Dulles Airport. In the back you see the thunderstorm. It's moving, and to keep track of it, every turn I look what the shade is doing to specific markers, and then I can see if the rain and the shade is coming closer to me. That's how I keep track of the movement of a storm like that, because sometimes it's not really visible, but sometimes it comes also very fast, so you want to be ready. Yeah, the thunderstorm is coming closer, and I'm moving out of launch area and getting ready to land. Just don't want to take any risk. I did that once and it got rained out. No fun.
And I will probably go on land. Yeah, it's safe. We had a good flight. So it's nice. Over the winery here. Which is coming from the south. So we likely will land with the winery.
Material things kinda lonely till I met her at the Great Lakes. 10 mil on a diamond ring. She invites me to spend a day on the jet skis. At first it didn't mean a thing that she told me. I know
very good. So be careful with the power line. Just in here, stay with. Let's go. Nice little strip. Up last country. Yeah, you see, that's just behind me, cooling a little bit. So I think I did the right thing, and it's going there as well. So good job, man.